Hey y'all, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, tell your moms, dad, sisters, brothers, friends, cousin, and whomever else you want to tell. Come and join the family by hitting that subscribe button. So today is the baby's birthday party. Yeah. Brooklyn and Paris' birthday party. So we're setting up and everything. We got the little water slide.
Water slide, huh?
And we about to,
It's a water slide?
We're setting up everything, got the tables, all that good. And we will be having so much fun today, and I want y'all to enjoy it, so continue watching the video. About to get this party started. Yes. You just put it on there and it'll start, and you press it down. We getting them done, y'all. We got what? Oh, that's the last one.
The balloon machine comes in handy.
Mm-hmm.
Balloon inflator.
Yes. Right. We got all these done in 2 seconds.
Okay. 2.
And there's more on the floor. It's coming along, y'all. Loop-de-looping and getting things together. It's good to have a mom that helps. Cause baby, this stuff right here is for the birds. It ain't for Tay. What, girly? The rest of them outside playing. About to get this party started. Ah! So I hope y'all enjoy this party like we about to.
You act like you don't know her.
Okay? Our kids be there, they'll just have fun with playing with us.
Blow some balloons and put them on the floor and let them just.
I'm glad we didn't have that when she was little. So we had the Showbiz and Peter Pipers and McDonald's, baby.
McDonald's was our go-to right there.
Oh yeah.
Especially when they had a little play area outside.
Now look at their outfit. This is Brooklyn's. We're about to get ready to put it on her. We're waiting until she get done eating because I don't want her to mess up her pretty dress. And then this is Paris. It comes with a bow as well. And then hers is a little onesie, of course. And then look at her little skirt. She's actually taking a nap right now. Once she wakes up from her nap, we're gonna put her outfit on her and get the party started. It's they're eating right now, so once they get done eating, parents wake up, then we're gonna and yes, I'm still looking like this because I've been doing everything. Okay, me and my mama, we've been decorating, cooking, and I was like, well, since we're doing all that, I'm gonna change into my outfit when I change them, and then after that we're all gonna go outside and we have a pinata, and I ain't gonna tell y'all everything, so just keep watching Like, don't stop the video. Don't turn it off. Keep watching so y'all can see and enjoy the party, because I want y'all to be here to have fun and to celebrate my babies. You know, having 2 babies, and they're literally like 11 days apart. I mean, not apart. Not apart, y'all. They are 11 months and I want to say 2 weeks apart. So they're like, for 11 days, they are the same age. So they're basically like some Irish twins, because they're the same age for 11 days. Isn't that's crazy to me? Like, oh my gosh. But it's kind of cool too. So we're celebrating their birthday together, and I want y'all to be here. So keep watching so y'all can you know, experience the party.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Percy.
Happy birthday, dear Percy. Happy birthday to you.
And many more. It's your birthday, and you know we don't do
Thanks everyone for coming.
They want to come and hit the pinata? They want to hit the
Don't you, Can? You seen her? Swing it. Swing it hard. Ooh.
Get it, girl, get it!
What?
Get it!
Ooh. Ooh. She gonna knock. No, she gonna knock all the pears off the tree.
Oh, you trying to play? Mom, where's the bag? The bag's on the table.
Yeah, go get y'all bags off the table. Hurry.
Bring the baby's bags.
I got Brooklyn and Pierre's right here. I mean, Brooklyn and Paris. Kaylee. Oh, yeah, hit them pears. Tony. Oh, yeah, get them pears. Wait. Y'all look at Kylie bag. I want to get y'all. It's heavy too. Got some weight. Look at the baby's bag. Barely anything.
I won. And it's their birthday.
Mm-hmm.
But I still won this year.
Hey. I'm about to get up on this bed, boy. Ooh. No, I do not like wet. I don't like when the ground is wet on my feet. So nasty. But yeah, I'm about to get up there. Y'all, I just got off that water slide. It started raining. Like, so whatever. So we're gonna try to wait until the rain stops to possibly go back out. I came back in, got cleaned up, changed, got out the wet clothes, as you can see. Hair wet, but it was fun. The rain always gotta ruin stuff, so hopefully it stops and we can go back outside and have some more fun with the water. But you want your candy? Kylie, go ask Osha. Go tell Osha he wants some candy. I don't know what he is at. Mama, tell Osha come here. He wants some candy, Osha. Yeah, no, Amir. Yeah. But I don't know what his bag is. Is this? Yeah. Oh. Oh, because he asking for some.
But you don't even know what candy you had some cake?
Oh, I don't know. He has some? Oh.
Oh, he not supposed to be eating it? Mine definitely not.
I know. But he can have candy because he turned me into a princess and everything. He said I'm a princess and that's a Ninja Turtle back there. Oh, she a princess too? Ooh. Ooh. It's a white cake and I think it's whipped icing. Yeah, I'm not sure. I didn't taste none yet.
The pink is
It's nasty.
I got a burger.
Ooh.
And that's mine. See that?
You want one? You want one so you can turn me into a princess too? Okay. Oh. You only got a pink one.
I fixed the shoe.
Yeah. You gonna turn me into a princess?
I'll fix you.
So yeah, hopefully we can go back outside once the rain stops and everything clears up. So y'all just stay watch. Oh, look what my baby's got, y'all. I got this thing, an outfit, and we got them a Minnie Mouse and a little scooter thingy. Some more stuff.
I got tell you kisses.
Yes. Oh, it's matching. They're matching. Ooh. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned. Maybe we'll have some more stuff going on. Y'all, we had got like a rope thing to play tug of war in the water. We had got the slip and slide, baseball. Like we had got a lot of stuff to have some water fun and the rain, y'all, the rain. But yeah, we still good though. We're still good. So this was the theme and everything. Isn't it cute? Y'all let me know what you think. Me and my mama did all of this. We decorated. So yeah. So y'all, the rain never stopped. It started thundering, lightning. People's lights went back off, and we blessed to still have lights. But yeah, that was the end of my video. A sad ending because I really wanted to show y'all the outside stuff. The activities we had planned, but the weather didn't let us permit. So we still have fun though. We sung happy birthday, ate cake, ate food. So we still had fun. Y'all had fun? We had fun. Did you have fun?
I barely got it.
Look what she got. Ooh. Brookie. Look, she already started twisting up like a pretzel just to watch the tablet. Now look at her outfit. It's so cute. And look at mine. My first birthday. Yes. So thank y'all for joining the party and having fun. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time.
tattoos.
Oh yeah, they got tattoos.
Yes. Look at my baby's tattoo. Show me your tattoos.
Woo.
Tat it up.
All right. Bye, y'all.
Bye. Say bye. Thanks for tuning in.